Hello everyone, today I am going to install Active Directory domain controller on Windows Server 2016. For this demonstration I already set up the basic configuration, computer name DNS, IP address. I already changed these all settings. You can see the computer name DNS, and I've already changed the network settings, IP addresses. You can see 192.168.0.87, and initial setup is ready. Now we are going to begin our installation of Active Directory. Let's install and configure Active Directory. For installation, open Server Manager. In Server Manager we have to select the add roles and features. Next, role based or feature based installation. Next, for this server DNS, this computer, yes, what role we are going to install? Active Directory 8 features and DNS server 8 features. Next, 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 and install. I'll pause the video. Once it is complete, I'll come back. Okay, Active Directory domain services role has been installed. Close, and then you can see here notification. Now we are going to configure this server as a domain controller. So for making this compute server domain controller, we have to click promote this server to domain controller. Click. This server will be the first server. Select add a new forest and assign the name digitalhub.com. Next, type the directory service restore mode DSRM password. It is very important for restoring the Active Directory, so you have to keep this in a safe place. Then we are ready to configure Active Directory. Click next. Next, next, next. Now prerequisites check is done. Now we are ready to install Active Directory domain controller. Click on install. Our installation has been completed. Now it requires a restart the server. Now domain controller is ready. Let's verify. You can see full computer name is dns.digitalhub.com, and Active Directory has been installed. This is our Active Directory domain controller name digitalhub.com. Now this server is ready. Active Directory has been complete. Installation has been completed. Thank you.